How to integrate Wrike with Jira. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can integrate Wrike with Jira. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Jira account. Your Wrike's account. Yeah. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, this is how the page looks like, where you would see you see your inbox, okay? And then by the left side of the screen, you'll see other things that you can do on your Wrike's account. So as you can see this, the next step is to go to the left side of the screen. Next to the logo, you will see your profile icon. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, you'll see options like settings, workspace appearance, recycle bin, apps and integrations. Just go ahead and click on that. After clicking on apps and integrations, you'll be brought to the apps and integrations page. So on this page, you'll see gallery, Wrike sync, Wrike integrate, authorize app. Just go ahead and click on Wrike integrate. But to use Wrike integrate, you'd have to increase your plan. Actually, that is it. You have to increase your plan from the free version to the paid version. It is only on Wrike integrate that you can merge or you can integrate other automations with your account. All right, so once you click on get Wrike integrate, you'll be directed to another page entirely. But then let's go back to the gallery. Now once you're in the gallery here, in the search box, which is located by the top right corner of the screen, just type out Jira. And then you can see it, Jira via Wrike integrate, Jira via Wrike sync, Jira service desk by Wrike integrate. Since we are trying to integrate Jira with Wrike, get this. So by the time you click on it, you'll be redirected. A box will be displayed, then asking you, showing you details about the application, and then the next thing you would have to click on is to get Wrike integrate. So you can also use the add-ons, but then you would not be able to use it effectively. And then you'll be directed to the Wrike integrate page where you can now go ahead and upgrade your plan. After upgrading your plan, you then be enabled to use Jira together with your Wrike account. So I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching and have a good day.